Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Google two-step verification backup codes on PC or laptop. So backup codes usually are codes that you can use to sign into your Gmail account. And yeah, it's going to be used, say for example, if you don't have access to your two-factor authentication, and I'm going to show you where to find it. So you're going to open your Google account here, and we're going to go ahead and click the password manager. Sorry, let's go ahead and close this one. Security and sign in rather, and then you can go ahead and scroll down here and you have the backup codes. So you can click this one and you can click get backup codes. And these are the codes that you are going to be using. So make sure that you print this, copy this, download this to your phone or whatever. You can use this in order for you to access your account without having copy or without having access to your two-factor authentication code. So yeah, that's how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.